Welcome to my YouTube channel Screenpred. Today we will cover 8 advantages of using an email marketing software. If you decided to use email marketing or to promote your business, then let me congratulate you on this very wise decision. You might have read over the internet the buzz created by this type of marketing. I'm sure you have already learned that the money is in your list. This is 100% true. If you're like me, then you are a very busy person who can't afford to spend that much time just on email marketing. So this is why I decided to make a list of great advantages of brought by Mailloop 7.0, the best email marketing software on the net. So number one, you get an opt-in form template which comes with full instructions so you can easily add it to your site. Number two, it automatically stores every email, saving you precious time and headaches. Number three, it emails new subscribers a welcome message just moments after opting in. No more preparing and sending emails to hundreds, even thousands of subscribers manually. Number four, Mailloop gives you attractive looking templates to use for your newsletter so that it doesn't get trashed. You can schedule your promotion so that you can go on your vacation without worrying about interrupting campaigns. Number seven, you can use as many autoresponder as you need, create as many campaigns, write as many emails as you wish. The sky is the limit. Number 8, manage all of this from a complete user-friendly control. Even though email marketing is a very powerful way to transform leads into hungry buyers, many people are discouraged to use this technique because of the time they need to invest in it. A recent study has showed that about 75% of people who use email marketing need between 15 to 50 hours per week to handle it. So this was our video about 8 advantages of using an email marketing software. If you like my video, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos.